Uh-oh.
Everything's gone.
This cake
Sold
is
out.
going. Yes, ma'am. Eat it.
So what kind of doctor are you?
I'm an internal medicine doctor,
Okay.
but I instead of practicing in the hospital and in the clinic, now I practice in people's kitchens. So I go in their homes. I'm a personal chef, plant-based personal chef. So I'll go in their homes. I'll cook meals for them depending on what their needs are. That it tastes good, but it's healthy too. And then the whole reason for this is to show people you can have even plant-based desserts that are good for you too. Now I'm not gonna say they're completely healthy because there's sugar, but it's not refined sugar. Yes, ma'am. Free. Any nut allergy? Okay, perfect. 'Cause it's got coconut and pecans. So this is plant-based, no animals, no dairy. It's little mini cheesecake cups. Yep. Hey, baby. Both are free. Both are free.
Okay.
So this is butternut squash bread.
Okay.
It's almost like a play on pumpkin bread.
Okay.
And then this is cheesecake cupcakes, mini.
Thank you.
Yeah, taste it. Let me know how you like it.
Okay,
No pressure though. No pressure. I know that's weird eating something in front of somebody if it don't taste good.
A little bit for myself.
Okay, absolutely. Do your thing. You can grab a napkin. You can grab whichever you want. You can get both. It's all free. Yeah, just so you can try out some plant-based stuff. You're welcome. And the base of it is actually Biscoff cookies, so it's not gluten-free, but all dairy-free. Like the airplane ones, exactly, which are the best. These are butternut squash bread. If you did scan this, you get on my email list, and then I send out a blast whenever I'm giving more recipes and things like that to people. I got a YouTube channel too, so. Yeah, absolutely. Thank y'all for stopping by. Tell others to come so I don't have to go home with all this. Thank you. Did you?
Just wanted to let you know he approved of your.
Ah, you liked it? It's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming. This is mini cheesecake
I love
cups.
nuts.
It's cold because it's a no-bake cheesecake cup, but it's all plant-based, made from cashews. Yes, ma'am.
I'm buying her. I'm not joking.
I appreciate it.
That was it. I'm supposed to be working right now.
Do your thing. Do your thing. Got a little chocolate on there, some nuts in there. I hope you like it. Did you guys want one too? Yeah, come and get some. Let me bring it over to you so you don't have to reach.
Samples.
Yeah, all of them are samples. Yeah.
So where do you buy them?
So for me, you came at the right time. You're getting the bigger samples. Just a free sample for you to try and see what's she talking about. Let me see if this tastes good.
You might want to try the cheesecake?
What? Please. Here's the deal, though. If you try it, you gotta tell me what you think.
That's really good.
It's good.
Really, really good.
Did you get on the list?
No, my phone is in my phone. You got it.
She got it? You got the list? Okay, get on there so that way you can order and learn all the things. Absolutely. Awesome. I'm glad you like it. Me too. I love me some cheesecake. Y'all take care. Hey, sweetie. If you don't want to purchase anything later, let other people know. Is it?
Oh my God.
It's good? Oh, this one's barely holding on. Poor thing.
Oh my goodness.
It's
Wow.
good?
That praline is fantastic.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Cheesecake.
It's just so it's and the base of it is Biscoff cookies. It's got cashews, vegan cream cheese. Yeah, I'll be quiet. Let you say.
Oh my God. I love cheesecake. This plant-based?
Yes, ma'am. It's plant based.
Oh, this is delicious. I'm not playing.
You about to make me
This
cry.
is really good.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Only got 2 more left, and that's it. I'm out. Everybody went through it.
You like do private events too?
Yep, I do. You take.
Oh, wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
Everything's gone.
All the cheesecake is
Sold out?
gone. Yes, ma'am.
What's left?
The butternut squash bread
Oh,
samples.
you having samples?
All I have is samples. But if you get on the
Oh.
list, when I put out an actual batch where you want to order, you'll know first thing. Yeah, they just took the last cheesecake.
Shayla?
Yes, ma'am. Chef
I'm
Shayla.
upset with you.
I had like 40 of them.
That was it. That was not enough.
Listen, I don't want to take too many, and then I got to bring it all back home.
No, that was not enough. When you see it wasn't
I
enough.
see now.